25.8 is what we need. Right, lock it up at that. Right, the tap and drill for quarter width 5.2, so we'll use a 5mm drill, be very careful. So the last thing we'll do is snap a tap off in there. Right, we can go down for 19mm. I'm not getting stuck to drill at all this. Right, that's it, full depth. I've got a really nice set of quarter width taps here. First, second and plug. I would be a very brave man to try to power tap quarter width into bronze. It's a brave man to try to tap quarter width. Right, so I'm just going to turn this by hand, well with a spanner like. I'm going to cut an oil corn to it. Right, you can see the top bending there. Certainly got a good start, nice and straight. There's enough thread there to do it with a tap wrench now. I think I've mentioned before this tap wrench is one of the things I actually made at school, and I've still got it. Lovely. Right, 4-jaw chuck time now to machine the boss on there then. I think we're nearly done. I now need to machine a register on there. So I'm going to set it up in a 4-jaw chuck. I'm purposely not going to put any protective packing around the side of the jaws because I want this to be held in nice and square. I don't want any chance of anything moving. It's got to be absolutely true. Just center the holes in place and just a light nip on these and it's going to get you very, very near. So that's got it nipped in place there. As you can see, that hole is not a million miles away. We'll put a centre in there, put a clock gauge on and clock it in from there. I have got various spring-loaded centres, but I find just an ordinary plain dead centre probably works as well as anything. That goes into there. And put a clock gauge on here. The closer you get to the job, the more accurate it's going to be. I'll try and put it in a position where you can actually see what I'm doing. I'm pleased with the way this worked out. It really has been good. Right, I'll bring the camera on so you can see where we're going to. Right, hopefully you can see that. So all we need to do is find the highest point, which is that one. Tighten that jaw. Highest point again, which is that one. So we have to loosen off very slightly the opposite one. Tighten that one. Well, that's not bad, is it? Right. Make sure our all nipped up. Like I say, normally we'll put a packing piece in to stop damaging the surface finish, but I want to make sure it's held nice and tight and square against the jaw. I think that'll do for John. That's a high one there. Right, that's absolutely blob on. Right, then we'll want 6mm off it. 0. This should be the last cut. Just space this into the shoulder. A little bit of a radius on it. That's it. Spot on. And put a little chamfer on that edge there. Right, that's the finished feed nut and screw. It's a nice fit, I'm really pleased with it. It's slightly longer than the original. I don't know how much room he's got, it wouldn't do any harm being longer. This height here, the height from there to there, that's one of the critical dimensions. It was difficult to measure on the old one, so I made that height slightly shorter because I was ashamed to go underneath there. The other one was tapered because it was a casting. I don't know how much room he's got, but he'll be able to taper that off himself just with a file if he needs to. But anyway, that's quite a lot of time being spent on that, but I'm sure it'll do the job. It's nice to get a photograph of it actually installed in the lathe. Yeah, very happy. I think it's definitely time for a good clean up now. It's amazing how removing such a small piece of metal can make so much swarf. There's a cut that did all the damage. There's also a selection of old books come in. 5 shilling is quite old this, but it is. It's still all very relevant. Lots of nice reading in there. Double thread screws, big milling cutters, metal turning and screw cutting. Milling in the lathe. I haven't got this book. I've read little bits online about it, but I haven't got it. I've got it now, so I'll be having a good read through that. Soldering and brazing. Perhaps I should have read that before I tried to braze that nut together. Anyway. Lathe accessories, how to make and use them. Grinding, lapping and honing. These books are in good condition because they will be very old. Like these cream-ons on time as well. Gauges and gauging, 2 and 6. Really interesting. And these books are old, but all the engineering, it's just the same. I mean, a 1/2 inch gauge is the same size a 1/2 inch gauge is now, basically. Right, once again, thanks very much for these. They'll be well read. I was at the coast on Tuesday with Debs. We went and had a walk along the pier at South Shields. I'd got a little bit of video of 1 or 2 ships that were passing by, and there was a trawler doing some fishing. I show little bits of that just to break up some of the machining.
Touch it, don't you? Look at that little ship. As always, it's just time to say thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, and as always, thanks very much for all the well wishes that are still coming in. Anyway, thanks for watching.